Right, so I slow down the ball a bit so I can keep away from it. I slow down the ball by changing the speed and making it move only 5 steps at a time. Once the cat moves 10 steps at a time, and it's moving towards the mouse pointer. So I'm going to use a variable. I'm going to use scores, and I'm going to say as soon as I press the green flag, let's press the green flag to set the score to 0. Stop. So set our lives to 3. I'm going to say every time the cat is touching the ball, I want the lives to go down 1. So let's do that. Let's say clicked on the cat. That's going to create an event, and we're going to keep on sensing this forever. So I'm going to keep on asking exactly the same question forever. Is it touching the ball? So you have an if statement. So if under sensing I am touching, so it's on the cat, so we're going to say if it's touching the baseball, then under data we're not going to set the lives to 0, but we are going to change the lives. So instead of being on 1, which would add 1 onto the score, I want it to be -1, which will take 1 off my score. And let's wait a second then, so I can escape. Give me a second to get away from the pesky ball. And then I might ask a similar question this time. If under data, no, operator again. Let's say if something is less than 0. Let's say if something is less than 1. So we're going to say our lives are less than 1. Put 1 in there. And we're going to do something a bit strange. We're going to go into event and we're going to broadcast a message. So I'll show you what that does in a minute. I'm going to broadcast a message that says game over. A little bit complicated, but we should be able to figure that out. Now I'm going to go back to my stage, and we can see on my backdrop I've got two stages. I've got this one, which is the this is called playing field, and here, which is called game over. So I want to make sure when I start, so let's go to script for stage. On the green flag, the first thing I want to do is make sure that we have the right backdrop showing. So switch to backdrop, playing field, and now I've got that strange bit of code we had before. We're waiting for an event, and it says when I hear broadcast, when I receive game over. Under looks again, we will switch to game over. Let's see. So on 3, oh, we've got 2, 1 live, 0 lives, and we're game over. And we're still going down.